Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of cooking tutorials and learn how to make a delicious dish, scrambled eggs. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, 1 tablespoon of butter. Now, let's get cooking. Start by melting the butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, add the eggs and stir continuously. Keep stirring until the eggs are almost set. Then add the milk and continue to stir. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, the key to perfect scrambled eggs is to keep stirring and not to overcook them. When they're almost set, remove them from the heat and serve. And there you have it, folks. A simple yet delicious recipe for scrambled eggs. We hope you enjoyed this cooking tutorial and that you'll give it a try at home. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tasty recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.